Hey, calculus class, Calc 2 review. We did half-life today, which uses the Pert formula. And we used the 5,730 years as time to find the exponent for this, which turned out to be, this exponent, turned out to be negative 0.00122. So very small power for this thing. And then we did some decay problems. You have to be able to do that kind of thing. So you need a rate that comes from half-life, but you have to use the years to find the rate, and then you can finish a half-life problem. That's how it goes. Check your notes and you'll see the details. There was a notational question about the reciprocal of a function and inverse of a function, and I said, remember, the inverse function gets the simpler notation because it's the more important mathematical function. Over here on the right, we talked about another Pert function with positive interest rate, and it takes a long time to grow. It's a very slow-growing function. And then we did the other thing where, since the natural log of 2 is 0.69, that means if you take 70, which is like rounding off 69, and divide by your interest rate as an integer, you get how fast it takes to double your money. So if you could get 10% interest, it would be approximately 7 years to double your money. So you put $1,000 in for 7 years, it'd be $2,000. But that's at 10% interest. And then we started section 6.6. The derivative of inverse sine of x is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. That you have to know. We also did chain rule with integrals and derivatives. So one quick example of one of those looks like this. We did the integral of x e to the x squared plus 5 dx. So that was the original problem. We adjusted, we needed the derivative of the power. It's a 2x. I balanced it off with a 1/2. And the final answer is a 1/2 e to the x squared plus 5 plus c. So that's just chain rule because I have the inside function is x squared plus 5. The derivative of the inside is 2x. I have 2x. That's the chain rule. So what I have is a function of a function times the derivative of the inside function. The integral of that is the function of the function. Remember, the chain rule says the derivative of f of g is f prime of g times g prime. F prime of g times g prime. The integral of f of g prime, f of g, is f of g. All right, you guys. See you later.